Hello everyone, today we are making carrot punch drink and this carrot juice is very refreshing. So I'll start by peeling my carrot. Remember to wash your vegetables, which is your carrot, before you make this recipe. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer to my channel, you're welcome. I love making drinks, juice, and I also love making some Nigeria's recipe. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. So after peeling, I'm gonna cut the carrot so it will be easy to juice our carrot. So we are making a carrot juice first before making our carrot punch drink. This carrot drink recipe is refreshing and you are going to love the recipe. I'm going to transfer the cut carrot into a blender. I'm using a blender to make my carrot juice. If you have a juicer, feel free to do that as well. I'll be using blender to make my carrot juice. I'm going to add some water to blend our carrot to get that perfect and smooth carrot juice. Blend until smooth. After blending, I'm going to sieve my blended carrot to get my carrot juice. Feel free to repeat the process. It all depends on if you want more carrot juice. You can repeat this process. You can also use the shaft for carrot cake. So I'm going to add sweet condensed milk. So this recipe is actually simple. You can add any herbs you like. You can add like nutmeg. You can also add like ginger roots to make the carrot juice. You do not need to add sugar to this recipe because the condensed milk is very sweet. That's why I said sweet condensed milk. You can as well use evaporated milk. I have a recipe on carrot punch with evaporated milk. Feel free to watch that video. I'm going to put the video in the description below. I'm going to combine my milk with my carrot juice to get my carrot punch. This is how it looks. Keep on stirring. If you find this too sweet for your liking, you can add some water to reduce the sweetness, but I prefer it with this taste. So feel free to add some ice in a cup to serve this, or you can as well put it in the refrigerator to allow it to chill before you drink your carrot punch recipe. Let me know what you think about this recipe once you try it in the comment section. It's very easy to prepare and my family really love this drink. Please let me know what you think about it. If you really enjoyed this recipe, please feel free to like this video and do not forget, and if you like, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It encourages me to do more videos, and feel free to check more of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.